Welcome to Picture Healer channel. This is Shi Tian. And today we want to talk about what kind of artwork or Feng Shui enhancers to place in different rooms. And there are 5 areas we want to focus in a typical house. That includes entry, living room, dining room and kitchen, bedroom and kids' bedroom, bathroom and laundry room, and the last one is the office or study room. So let's start with the first one. The first area is your front door, entrance, and the living room space. And these rooms have similar goals. We want it to feel welcoming, cheerful, bright, and spacious. And we want to enhance the prosperity and give a positive first impression to visitors. The suitable art and Feng Shui display for this area include Laughing Buddha, Guanyin Buddha, or other religious art. If you have certain religion, these are good areas to display. Usually religious items can give you a sense of protection. So that's one thing you can consider adding to the space. And the next one is water fountain, waterfall, or fish tank. Yes, it's all about the water, because water is a symbol of money in Chinese Feng Shui. That's why it's auspicious to see water flowing in our space. It can be a small water fountain or indoor waterfall by the wall, or a fish tank with bright color fishes. Fish tank and water are suitable to display around the living room and entry because it's the public space. And you can see it easily every day and take care of it easily. One thing about the moving water in the house is that the direction of the water flow should always go into the center of the house and not flowing out to the window or door, because that's symbolizing your fortune flowing away. The next one you can display is natural crystals or crystal jeweled. It can be any color as long as it's natural. It holds some power from the earth, so it can raise the energy of the space. And usually bigger is better, but it should be in proportion with your space. The next one is mirror. You can display mirror, lighting, or candle. Something creates light and reflection to make the space look bigger and brighter. One thing about the mirror is that you should not hang it so it's directly facing a door. That's not auspicious in Chinese Feng Shui, because that can startle yourself or anyone walking through the door. You can display a mirror next to the door. That will be okay. And the next choice is plants and flowers. That's easy to understand. Healthy plants and flowers can always bring in natural energy and uplift our mood. And for the plants, the broad leaf is better than the sharp leaf plants. And try to avoid the climbing plants. That's not the best Feng Shui plants. And next one is the wall art, especially the paintings. You can have paintings of koi fishes, because koi fish is a symbol of prosperity, and usually 9 koi fishes are very auspicious because 9 is the number of the most young energy. Or you can display paintings of mountain and water or beautiful landscape. Both mountain and water are auspicious in Chinese Feng Shui. And be sure the water flow goes to the direction of the house and not out of the house. Another choice is the painting of bright color peony flowers. That's a classical painting Chinese people like to display in their living room, because peony flower is a symbol of prosperity and beauty. And the next one you can display is the money jar, money toad, or money god. And you can display in any corner. A general money corner is when you walk in the living room and it's 45 degrees on the far end corner, diagonally from the entrance of your living room. And the entry area is also good to set up a money altar with symbols of abundance and wealth. The next one is Fu Dog, Qilin, or Pixiu. They are all symbols of protection, and they are supposed to bring you good fortune and good luck. The second zone is a dining room and kitchen. We want these areas to enhance your appetite, and it's family friendly and make you feel happy, healthy, and abundant. So the suitable art for this area include fresh fruit or paintings of fresh fruit or vegetables. And this is probably universal. Many cultures have the similar idea to display a painting of fresh fruit. The next one is the natural crystals. The crystals can raise the energy of the space. The next one is good lighting, candle, or salt lamp. And the salt lamp is especially appropriate for kitchen and dining room because it's made of salt. And every time you turn on the salt lamp, it's supposed to purify the air. The next one is hulu, the Chinese gourd. The hulu is a symbol of good health and protection. It's also a container for food or medicine, so it's good to display hulu in dining room and kitchen. The next one is fresh flowers or paintings of flowers. Or you can display fresh herbs, lucky bamboo, or other house plants. Live plants are always good for dining room and kitchen areas. The third area is the bedroom and kids' bedroom. The goal is to have a relaxing space and balancing the yin and yang energy, enhance your relationship and your popularity, and enhance your love life and happiness. And for a kid's bedroom, we also want to enhance the school performance, enhance their creativity and their individual personality. So the suitable art includes the dragon and phoenix painting or images because one is the yang energy and the other one is the yin. So we have the symbol of both yin and yang. And the next one is crystals again. Any color will work, but the pink or orange can enhance your relationship better. And the next one is a painting of flowers and birds. That's also related to happy relationship. Or you can display hulu, the Chinese gourd. Again, that's a symbol for health and wellness. The next one is the mandarin ducks, doves, swans in pairs to symbolize happy couple, especially for a master bedroom. Another popular display is a Chinese double happiness caricature. Especially when people are just getting married, they like to display the Xi caricature in red color around the bedroom. And another symbol for love in Chinese Feng Shui is a peach or the peach blossom. So any display of peach or peach blossom painting is auspicious for a bedroom. And as for kids' bedroom, because we want to enhance their academic performance, so the Wenchang Pagoda is a classic Feng Shui cure to enhance the intelligence. Or display the Chinese ink brush. Or you can display any nice stationery or writing instrument. That's the modern version of the Chinese ink brush. And you can also display art related to the kid's animal sign because that's unique to the kid and that will make them feel positive about themselves. Another way is to display kids' art and craft project to encourage their creativity. The next section is the bathroom and laundry room. They are both with water and draining of the water. And our goals are to keep the space clean, organized, relaxing, natural, healthy, and grounded. So first, you can display fresh plants and flowers, either the real one or paintings or artwork of the plants and flowers. And also make sure you have proper lighting in these areas because most of the time these areas are not the main focus of design. So many people like to use cheap light bulb or those blue color fluorescent light, and maybe we can switch it up and use warmer color temperature lighting so it doesn't feel so harsh. And this is also a good place to display candle and a salt lamp to make it feel more like a relaxing spa. And you can also add more earthenware, ceramic or glass, and use less plastic. We tend to have a lot of bottles around these areas, and a lot of them are cheap plastic full of chemicals. If we can switch out, it will make a big difference in these areas. The next item you can display is a mirror. Besides a big mirror above the sink, you can also display smaller makeup mirror or the handheld mirror. And keep it clean all the time because it's a reflection of you. And it's a good idea to use good quality soap and towels, and use products with essential oils instead of artificial fragrance. The smell will also transform the space. The last area is a home office or study room. And for this space, we like to enhance knowledge and intelligence and career success, prosperity, bring in helpful people, and increase your authority. And the suitable art and Feng Shui decoration for this area include the painting of mountain and water or beautiful landscape. In Feng Shui, it's better to have a big open space and beautiful landscape because it's representing your future, and we want to have a lot of possibilities. The second one is the Feng Shui animals, qilin, pixiu, dragon turtle, and dragon. They all have that fierce energy to help you move forward in your career. They can also protect you from negative people and the negative energy. The next one is a Wenchang Pagoda Chinese ink brush or nice stationery set. That's similar to kids' bedroom because we want to enhance your intelligence. And the next one is the crystals, especially the clear one or the purple amethyst. They can enhance your clear mind and help you make the right decision. And next one is a painting of a horse ready to jump up or a sheep that's ready to sail. And these are classic symbols for career prosperity and enhanced career luck. Or you can display images of your hero, your mentor, or any ideas related to your dream life in the future. It acts like a vision board and keep you on track of your life goals. So those are the 5 areas and recommended Feng Shui art and enhancers. I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you for watching today. See you next time.